Hasbro found a way to let fans live out their Star Wars, Marvel, and Power Rangers fantasies. It's called the Hasbro Selfie Series, and they're collector-grade 6-inch figures featuring a custom 3D printed version of your own face, digitally scanned using your smartphone. Based off a contest Hasbro and Formlabs ran a few years ago that let 5 superfans create action figures based off their likeness. Now that 3D printing and digital technology have improved so much, the company can now bring it to collectors, limited to the US. Now anyone with $60 can order a 6-inch figure that looks exactly like the person staring back at them in the mirror every morning, but with a better costume. Face scanning is done through the Hasbro Pulse mobile app available for iOS and Android, and fans will be able to base their action figure on classic to current characters seen across popular films, television series, and comics. The costumes that will be included are G.I. Joe, Ghostbusters, Power Rangers, Marvel, and designs inspired by Star Wars characters. It launches this fall, and Hasbro hasn't provided any details on how long it will actually take for a custom figure to be created and shipped out after a digital face scan is completed and submitted. I can't wait to be the Green Ranger. It's morphin' time! To read more about this story, check out Gizmodo.com.